Yo, rev it up for me.
Do I need to put my seatbelt, or can I trust you?
Oh my gosh! Yo. Damn! What the fuck? Yo, this shit is.
Careful, bro.
Nah, I didn't know that it. Oh.
Be careful, my
I got you.
I'll do it again, but.
What'd you say?
Do it again, but like for sure.
Ooh, that bit hard. First time driving one of these. It's a bit quiet though. I mean, no sound. We gotta fix that.
Oh, okay.
Definitely look nice. It's definitely small though, but I ain't tall anyway.
It's Supra right here. I don't know too much about Toyota Supras, but all I know is that they got some kick, they got some power to it.
You know how to put it in sport?
Yeah, we can figure it out. Here, have a seat.
Alright.
The new keys to your car.
Shit, I almost bust my eyes.
You're in sport. Yeah, it's kind of like a BMW type.
Yeah, I had a
Do I need to put my seatbelt, or can I trust you?
I mean, I'm a great driver, so.
All right. I want you to floor it.
I'm definitely gonna do
I've
that.
been bored all day. I need a little.
Exactly.
I just think this is in the way.
Oh, I like how this sounds too. Oh, the pop.
Oh, you heard that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
Nah.
Yeah. Gunshots. Let me see how.
Yeah, this is definitely gonna be a fun car. Keys fell, but I don't know where, but we'll find it eventually.
They fell?
Yeah, they fell.
I hope they don't get stuck.
Oh, they're right
Let's
here.
check out this radio.
I can't do great. It's gonna copyright me.
Oh shit, sorry. You're right.
Oh my gosh! Yo. Damn! What the fuck? Yo, this shit is.
Careful, bro.
Nah, I didn't know that it. Oh.
Be careful, my
I got you.
I'll do it again, but.
What'd you say?
Do it again, but like for sure. Pick up the age. We don't got a license plate either.
Oh my gosh!
Yo, Lucky, let me drive this shit back.
I got you. Where you want me to stop at?
No, keep going. Play with it a little more.
My cousin live right over here. Oh my gosh! This shit is a trip.
I did not know Toyota.
I didn't either. It's like almost like a Hellcat. I drove a Hellcat. It was the most fun I ever had in my life. Where you want me to go?
We can switch. We can go here on the left.
Turn in here?
Yeah, sure.
I'm about to hit this. hard though.
Oh my god, bro. Yo, you crazy.
Oh, let me try. I want to try something real quick.
Yeah, don't.
Don't do it?
You sure? What do you do? What do you want to do?
Do a little donut if I can. I don't know if I got enough space. You don't think I got enough space?
Yeah, no, I don't want nothing to happen to you. Like, you end up having to pay something.
Yeah, I feel you. You want to drive it back?
Yeah, you want to drive it more or you like it?
I do want to drive it more. It's
drive
fun.
it more, bro. Drive it more. But when we come back, I
got you,
try
yeah.
Put my seatbelt, bro. You're looking like...
So you want to make it right here or keep going straight?
We can make a right. You love this car, bro?
Oh, shit. I got it.
Is there gas in there, too?
I don't even know where to check that. Yeah, it has 197.
Okay, perfect.
Why didn't I been look at one of these?
don't think so? Y'all raise, I'm trying to record this shit.
Well, I want him to line up with me, but he not.
Nah, he's scared, bro. Let's make it right.
Alright.
Yo, be careful, bro.
Nah, this car is a trip.
Oh, okay, not here.
Not here?
No,
it's a dead end. It's crazy. This car is stock?
This car looks like it's stock, bro.
There's no way it pops like this in the stock.
That's a Supra, man.
To get
I can pull up the Carfax and tell you, like...
Because to get I had a Beamer before my last car. And to get my Beamer to pop, I had to get it tuned and stuff.
Oh.
So I don't know how this is popping like this with nothing. My Beamer was downpiped and tuned.
You're not using the gear shifters. You're just pressing the gas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, here's good.
I'll pull up right here. Man.
I gotta see this.
This shit is crazy.
That was fun.
What?
That was good.
I'll park up right here. I actually get my hair done around here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It tells you a speed limit right here too.
Oh yeah, the heads-up display.
Yeah.
That's fire.
And I was going too fast. It told me like.
Slow down. What did it say?
It said speed. It said speed warning or some shit.
Oh my god.
Where's the key at? Oh, it's right here. Damn it. Oh shit. I didn't mean to do that.
I want to see you leaving this, bro.
Yo, rev it up for me. Oh my gosh.
Let's see this shit. I don't know if I should do it on this road because it's like bus. There's a bus right there.
Right behind us or in front of us?
There was. I just want to make sure there's no cops.
You take it off sport?
I don't know.
It's
Do you push the pedal all the way? Because I don't want to.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Let me get out of this 40-ass lane. 40 miles per hour. You probably know how to drive it better than me.
I mean,
you know sports cars.
Yeah, I dabbled a lot. I'm telling you, live life when you drive a Hellcat. That's not too far from a Hellcat, though. Yeah, it's lighter.
Yeah, here you see. Yeah, here it goes. This shit sounds so loud.
Doesn't it?
Appreciate you letting me drive it.
Shit, help me get a good deal.
I'm doing my best. Man, dude, you pull out with this, bro. I wish I had this.
Shit, I got a
fire, bro.
I got a good deal. You can drive it on another time. I'll meet you after hours. Where you stay at?
Here in Royal Palm.
Okay, I stay at Locks.
Oh, bet. Yeah, we're close.
Locks and West Palm. I got two different houses I go back and forth from.
I don't know if I should make it right here. You think it's Okeechobee, right?
Yeah.
This is Okeechobee?
I say it should be.
Oh yeah, it says it right there. Yeah, probably Ford here.
Make sure that's off. So just hit that shit and do a little spin. That shit hard.
Did I feel alright or?
I fought with it. This shit fun.
We made it again, and this bus goes
This car too fun.
Ooh. Let me see.
I need to get this car.
Yeah, everything's in sport. All right. Traction's off too?
Yeah, it should be fun. Yeah. Oh shit.
God damn. Oof. Oh man. I could drive this shit all day, bro.
Right? I would never get bored of it.
Holy fuck. I don't know why you traded this shit in.
Who the guy who had it, right?
Yeah. Let's see what baby do. Do a little baby one here. You can drive it more if you want, bro.
No, I got what I
Got your
need.
taste? You
Yeah.
got it. Yeah.
My camera dead, so I gotta use my phone.
No, you good. You live right now?
No, I'm just recording.
Oh, okay.
Definitely look nice. It's definitely small though, but I ain't tall anyway.
It's Supra right here. I don't know too much about Toyota Supras, but all I know is that they got some kick, they got some power to it.
You gotta put it in sport?
Yeah, we can figure it out. Here, have a seat.
Alright.
The new keys to your car.
Shit, I almost bust my ass. You guys have my keys, right?
Yeah, he has your keys in. He's looking at the trade right now.
Because I don't have it on me.
Yeah, so you got your. Well, turn the car on first.
Oh my gosh!
Oh shit!
Nah.
Yeah. Yup. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Damn! What the fuck? Yo, this shit is.
Careful, bro.
Nah, I didn't know that it. Oh.
Be careful, my
I got you.
I'll do it again, but.
What'd he say?
Do it again, but like for sure. Pick up the. We don't got a license plate either.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, Lucky, let me drive this shit back.
I got you. Where you want me to stop at? That's right over here. Oh my gosh! This shit is a trip.
I did not know Toyota.
I didn't either. It's like almost like a Hellcat. I drove a Hellcat. It was the most fun I ever had in my life.
Damn, even this, bro.
Yo, rev it up for me. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Damn! What the fuck? Yo, this shit is.
Careful, bro.
Nah. Oh my gosh! This shit is a trip.
I did not know Toyota.
I didn't either. Rev it up for me.